Welcome dear learners, welcome again in the next module on research article writing, IMRAD Style 2. In the last module, we discussed what are research articles, what are the importance of research articles, how to plan research article and how to target a journal for your research article. Now let us discuss drafting or writing the article. After completing this module, you will be able to learn writing the draft of research article. You will be able to learn focusing every section of research article. So we will be covering this module under the heads like drafting the research papers, writing effective titles, author's affiliation, abstract, introduction and materials and methods. Now let us start our discussion. Writing the first draft. In the planning stage itself, you have defined a tight outline. You will focus your efforts in the realm of that outline only. Now decide the style accordingly. The style may be IMRAD, the most commonly used research article writing style. And IMRAD stands for Introduction, Material Methods, Result and Discussion. Empirical studies will be dealing in a particular entire week in which we will be discussing the writing the empirical studies. However, most of the empirical studies are also written in the IMRAD format. In writing the first draft, your planned outline, the outline you planned in the planning stage helps a lot. And you start writing as per that outline. And what are the general points to consider while you are writing your first draft? The number one, develop idea. Develop your idea systematically. Maintain a systematic flow in writing and presenting information. Follow guidelines. Stick to author's guidelines of the journal while drafting the manuscript. It will help you out in the later stage. Uniform language. Use either British or American English. We have discussed this. We have discussed this aspect in the English and academic writing. It should be error-free. Avoid any typo and grammatical errors in this stage only. The next aspect is reader-friendliness and clarity. Use simple and reader-friendly language with good clarity. Attribution. Don't forget to give due attribution. Avoid plagiarism. Do not copy. We've discussed the issue of plagiarism and this becomes utmost essential to be vigilant in avoiding the plagiarism. Now in writing the first draft, plan a precise aim, split it into objectives and tell what methods were adopted for getting results and then discuss them properly. Focus every section and component, title, author's details, including their affiliations, keywords, abstract, introduction, materials and methods, results, discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement, references and infographics, table and figures. Now let us discuss title. We discussed earlier also. In my opinion, plan it at last because you might have many ideas while you are writing the manuscript or finalizing the manuscript. Keep in your mind that it should be simple, catchy, representative of your work, reader-friendly, and suitable for the journal. A good, reliable, and simple technique is to briefly write the question that was asked or the answer that was arrived at the end of the study for your title. Now let me give you some tips. Search for similar titles or highly cited related articles title in the target journal or related journals, or in the relevant databases like Scopus, ICSR, PubMed or Google Scholar. Get the idea. Focus on hot, trendy and relevant words. Plan 2 to 3 titles. Finalize one after consultation with your team. Plan a brief running title also, in 50 spaces or few words as the journal recommends. It is needed by many journals as header of the article. As you can see, here we have given the example. This is the title. Is cyclorhexidine inclusion complex of resigadotryl, effect of drug beta cyclorhexidine ratio and method of complexation. And what the running title? You can see at the top left corner, cyclorhexidine inclusion complex of resigadotryl. So this is the running title which is representative and used as the header in the articles PDF, or you can say in the print version or online version. So in this section, we learned that in the writing of first draft, you must be there within the defined outline. You should decide a particular style and focus every section. You should choose a good and effective title. We will be moving ahead with the other aspects in the next session.